Hello everybody, I'm your host 5-minute tutorials, where today we're going to be learning how to make a basic humanoid character. So it's going to be a low poly one. I know I already did this, but trust me, this one is much better and I learned it the easy way. So I'm going to teach you the easy way. There is a hard way, but in this tutorial we're going to do the easy way. So we're going to just do this. So this, we're gonna press E and then extrude, and then as you can see here, it's a little bit broken, so I'm just gonna move it a little bit here and then rotate it so it's a bit too there. So perfect. So now we're gonna press E and then do a little and then scale it, and then E again, so it's gonna be a bit there, so we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna do one of the legs. So this leg is going to rotate here, and then this leg is going to be like this. So if it doesn't work out, we're just going to do this, and then we're going to press this and then B and then delete faces. So I'm going to do a mirror and then Y. Now you can see it's fixed. Now we're going to make the hand. The hand is really easy and it's a really great way. So we're just gonna do this, press 2 or 2, okay, then this, and then we're gonna press 3 on our keyboard. So we're gonna do this. Okay, it's too big but still we're gonna work with something. So it's gonna be scaled a little bit, and then we're gonna add subdivision surface. So now you can see that we can fix this. So F and then fill. So now we have a basic humanoid character. Perfect. So I hope you enjoyed these tutorials and I hope you like it. So for now we're just gonna place it here. Okay, then we're just gonna mess with the lighting a little bit so it's perfect. So now as you can see here, it's been 2 minutes. Okay, so as you can see here, this is our character. So this is how to make a basic character. So I hope you like this video, and if you did, then like, share and subscribe. So let me just show you something so you can do this. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you did, then like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye.